Hello people, this is Guru and we are going to talk how to study for GATE examination in last 10 days. GATE is one of the toughest exams in our country where competition is very high and requires planned targeted study. GATE is conducted jointly by IISc and 7 IITs, the scorecard of which is used for PG admissions in India and entry level positions in Indian PSUs. The last 10 days for the GATE preparation are very crucial. So you need to be very focused these days. You must be clear about the revision strategy and be ready for attempting the mock tests. Some of the important last 10 days preparation tips are listed here. So let's start. First tips is revise daily. Revise again and again. Revision plays a most important role in acting an exam like GATE. You should start by revising the core subjects first and then after go for the subjects having less weightage. Topics like mathematical logic, linear algebra, sorting algorithms, trees, etc. should be preferred. Avoid any kind of distraction and just focus on your studies. Use pen and paper to scribble reminders if necessary. Also, candidates must remember that the revision is not going to be worthy in case if you are just reading or looking over the notes. Second tips is attempt the mock test and analyze it. Keep yourself available to attempt the mock test as it will help you to familiarize with the actual test. Also, with the help of the mock test, you can analyze your preparation for the GATE exam. Always attempt the mock test in the same time slot as in the actual GATE exam to improve the speed and time management skills. Apart from giving the mock test, analyzing them too is the most crucial thing to do. After analyzing, find out the mistakes and memorize them for not repeating in the actual exam. Don't study new stuff. Do not read new stuff a few days before the exam. Instead of this, revise whatever you have studied till now, going for the concepts which you have never heard about of instead of revising the already covered concepts is not something affordable. Also, brushing up the concepts which you have already covered enhance your confidence level. Next tips for last 10 days preparation is focus on easy to score subjects. In the last few days, the primary focus of candidates should be on those few easy to score subjects like digital logic, mathematics and aptitude. These three subjects cover 25 to 28% of complete GATE papers. It will help the candidates to score well in the GATE examination. Along with all the subjects, revise these subjects thoroughly and solve previous year GATE questions for these subjects. Use short notes. Always prepare the short notes while preparing for any examination. These short notes play a very crucial role in the preparation at this point of time. Note down all the silly mistakes in these notes you commit frequently, like calculation error, formula mistake, etc., and revise them on regular basis. Also use these notes to revise all the important formulas. Next tips for last 10 days preparation is be comfortable with the GATE virtual calculator. Students are not allowed to bring any physical calculator in the GATE exam. However, they are provided with a virtual calculator. The GATE virtual calculator can be a little complicated, and so it is important to familiarize yourself with it before the exam. Being compatible with the virtual calculator can increase the calculation speed, and it would be a great advantage in competitive exam like GATE. Last tips for last 10 days preparation is don't overthink about results. Always remember success doesn't lie in results but in efforts. Avoid necessary pressure and do not overthink about the results. Keep things in the right perspective. Yes, the exam are important, but you are so much more than the exam results. Just be confident that you will give your best in the exam and do not worry about the things which has not happened yet. Go for the exam with a positive mindset. Thank you.